our secret weapon, which is our cheese sauce. The other secret we got is that we did 2 layers of cheese, so just one on the top, with the top in the middle. Cut this in half, and I'm gonna finish it with a gherkin. That's it. Tortilla chips, which are cheese flavored. The extra cheesiness within our dish. Moving on, we have our barbecue glazed pulled pork. And we also have a chipotle chicken and soon a smoked beef as well to go with that. Next we have our gourmet cheese sauce, which is a combination of 4 different cheeses along with some secret herbs and spices to throw in there for taste. Finished with the usual suspects of guacamole, salsa and sour cream, topped with some hot jalapenos. All our ingredients are fresh, and finally the dusting of chutney.
So then basically, once we set everything up, it's pretty much ready to go. We don't like the cheese not to be melted. We like our cheese melted. So what we tend to do is we put our cheese on, and we have a little bit of water, and then we melt it down. We use honey ham, and then we use Swiss cheese, just for the extra flavour, the authenticity as well. Then we put a little bit of water. So once the cheese is melted, we then put our little twist to it. So then what we do is we add our own little moil verde, so it's like a South American pesto, but no nuts. And then we have our own homemade fermented hot sauce, just for that extra flavour. Then after we've done that, so then we hit it up with the mustard. And then we add some pickles as well. So once that's done, then scoop it all up, slide it on top of the bread, put the top on, brush some butter on top. The butter helps to toast the bread and give it that crunchy texture. Then we press it to make it flat. So then it helps crisp in the bottom and it helps crisp in the top. So once that's done, it should be crispy at the top. From